Hi everyone, welcome back once again. We are going to learn about something very short. We are going to learn about how you can create a bootable USB with a software called Poweriso. Yes, many people are using different softwares like Rufus and other way, but we are going to use Poweriso to create a, a bootable USB pen drive. Okay, so let's get started. The thing that you need a USB pen drive of 8 gigabytes and above, and your software installed, the Power ISO on your machine. Okay, so for you to start, you have to open your Power ISO and run it as an administrator. So you right click on it and select run as administrator and you click on yes. So it will open. Now when it's open, you make sure you insert your pen drive or your USB drive. You insert it. Okay, so after inserting, you go to tools. When you look up here, there are some couple of options here: file, view, action. Then you go to tools. So you click on tools and you look through and you find create bootable USB drive. Create bootable USB drive. So you click on create bootable USB drive. Now after selecting that one, a window will pop up. Now it will ask you for the image file. Now remember, in this case we are using an ISO file, so the image file here is requesting for the ISO file. So what you will do is you will locate where your ISO file, so you click on this folder right here and you go and find where your ISO file is located. My ISO file is located over here. So I'll select it from this angle. When you go here, mine is located in this PC. Then I have one drive there here in D. Okay, so it's in OS. So I'll select Windows 10. The Windows you want to install: Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. So I want Windows 10. So I'll select Windows 10. Click on open. So when you click on open, it will load over here. And here, if you have more than one drive connected to the machine, all will show up here. So you select the one that you want. So I have only one, so that is what is showing here. So it's already selected and it's 32 gig. So from here, you make sure this one is USB-HDD. Make sure that is the correct right method selected, and the file system is automatic. So after doing all this, you click on start. You get a warning message trying to tell you that all data on your USB will be deleted. So you click on OK and your bootable pen drive will start to prepare. So let's wait for it for some few minutes and see it start, so that we'll be sure. Okay, so you can see it has started. So let's wait for it to finish and then we'll continue. Okay, so as we are still waiting, you can see that we are almost done. It's remaining like 30 seconds to finish. And so this process, you can actually use it to create any bootable, or you can use any Windows to create bootable on the drive. If you have Windows 11, you can use this same method to create the bootable on the pen drive. So in my next tutorial, I'm actually going to show you how you can create a bootable USB drive using a different software, which is also very good. So I would like you to subscribe to the channel for more information like this. So kindly, if you have not subscribed and you are watching, kindly subscribe and share this video and like it as well. Okay, so we are left with 17 seconds and you'll be done. So let's wait for it whilst. Okay, so synchronizing USB drive. Okay, so when it's done, you receive a message writing USB drive completed successfully. So at this point, your USB drive is now bootable. So what you have to do is just unplug it. You click OK, you close this one. You can check from your computer and you can see here is it. Our drive is now fully bootable. So when you click on it, you can start, but we will have to unplug it and restart your machine, and then you insert it in the machine and it will automatically start, or you select your BIOS drive and then it starts. You start the process of installation of the video. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and watch out for more. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and share. Thank you.